everybody, it's Michelle again and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be my favorite contouring products. I absolutely love all these products, so let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I have for you a product by NARS, and this is the NARS Multiple Stick in the shade VN10. And I absolutely love this product. It is great for traveling or popping in your purse. It is a wonderful, wonderful shade for contouring. I absolutely love it. Nice and creamy and buttery, but doesn't move, doesn't settle in your fine lines. It is amazing. Next, I have for you another cream product, and this is by Sonia Kashuk. And this is the Sonia Kashuk Rich Bronze Undetectable Cream Bronzer. And this is a wonderful cream product for contouring. It doesn't settle in your fine lines. It slays your cheekbones. It looks amazing. You can pop it out for a real beaming contour or blend it out for a nice subtle one. Next, I have for you a product by Tom Ford, and this is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. I love this palette. As you can see, it is well loved. I'm talking about the bottom shade right there. It is nice and creamy and buttery. I absolutely love this product. It blends out for a nice, subtle contour. It really does look amazing on the cheekbones, as well as all over the face. I absolutely love it. Next, I have a product by MAC Studios, and this is a blush, and this is in the shade Blunt. And this is a really underrated product. I absolutely love this product when I want a really defined cheekbone, where I want to really slay my cheekbones. It looks amazing in photos, looks amazing on the skin. I absolutely love it, but be careful. A light hand is really needed when you use this product. Next, I have for you a product by Tarte, and this is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. I absolutely love this palette. This palette is fairly new to me, but I love it anyway. I'm talking about the shades Princess Cut and Angle right there in the center. Those are amazing when you want a nice, subtle contour. They are wonderful. And now the last product I'm going to be talking about is a product by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the famous Contour Kit. I absolutely love this kit. It is amazing. As you can tell, it is well loved. I'm particular to the shade Fawn right there in the center. It is amazing. Looks amazing on my skin tone. If you have yellow undertones, it looks wonderful. You can't go wrong with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And that is everything, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would surely appreciate that. And I will see you in my next video. Ciao, everybody. Bye-bye.